Congratulations on purchasing the new PolyScience DuraChill portable recirculating chiller. You're about to experience what 3 years of innovation, creative thought, and patent technology looks like, and we can't wait. But first, we need to get the DuraChill out of the box and ready to go. In this quick video, we'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to unbox your unit safely and effectively. Here are the tools you're going to need: strap cutters or strong scissors, another person to help you lift the DuraChill out of the box since the unit weighs over 150 pounds. The first thing you want to do is remove the packing straps that are holding everything together. You will need your strap cutters or strong scissors to cut the straps. Before cutting them, use your free hand to hold the strap down as you cut to prevent the strap from popping up. This will prevent any kind of injury from a loose flying strap. Other than the packing straps, you want to save all your packaging material just in case you have to return the unit or if you're unpackaging the unit to ship and then send out to your customer. PolyScience product packaging is custom designed to fit our products perfectly to protect them during transit. Okay, the straps are off, let's get to it. Inside, you will see the power cord as well as your certificate of compliance packed in a plastic bag. Take those out and set them aside for the moment. You will need the power cord to plug in the unit, and you want to save the certificate of compliance for your records or to repack to send to your customer. Next, remove the sidewalls of the box again by simply lifting straight up. Move that aside and you can remove the protective plastic bag. For our OEM customers who might be sending this unit off to one of their customers, you can stop unboxing here and test the unit while it sits in the packaging base. Here's the cool part. Once you're done testing, you can pack it back up and ship it off. Take a few minutes to inspect your unit. Besides being impressed with how DuraChill looks, this is a good time to inspect the unit for damage. We do everything in our power to ensure you get your unit in perfect working order, but accidents can happen. We don't expect any problems, so let's move on. This is where you need someone to help you lift DuraChill out of the packaging base and onto the floor. This is not a one-person job. DuraChill portable chillers can weigh up to 200 pounds. Make sure you bend at the knees and get your hands firmly underneath the sides of the unit. Our packaging is very tight to protect your unit, but you do have room to fit your hands securely between the packaging and under the unit. Again, lift the unit carefully out of the base packaging and gently onto the floor, making sure everyone's hands and feet are out of the way and not under the casters. Move all the packaging to the side and you're ready to set up your DuraChill unit. To find out how, check out our next video in this series or consult your owner manual. I'm Frank Fontana, thanks for watching and welcome to the world of DuraChill.